Hey folks, come on over. We thought it was time for a refresh in the living room for summer, right here on my take on home and garden. Guys, come on over. It's going to be fun. It's going to be different. Check it out. Get some ideas. Let's go to work. Now I'm going to show you the room as it is first. Then I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to change to summer. Okay guys, now we'll look at the living room real quick the way it is before I start. Kind of our after Christmas and into spring, we did the blue and white. We got some live plants in the window. Always have our Christmas corner. And the French Limoges on the mantle. Some Satsuma pieces and bronzes are out on the tables. So I want to put some of that away and lighten this area up. The first thing I'm going to do is take everything off the coffee table, clean it, and I'm going to fill the coffee table with things I might want to use in the decorate today. We have some assorted plate stands, wonderful yellow flowers, roses, giant mums. I think I'm going to leave the plants in the window, but I'm going to change out the curtains to these lighter ones in that same style, that damask. See the difference, quite a difference, and these haven't been up I think for a couple years now. Peach accent pillows, giant poppy for that summery look, porcelain, even a coffee set and a tea set. Couple. These can be decorative, they could be used. And one of my favorites, these magnificent burnt orange poppies on porcelain plates. Nasturtium cocoa pot. It's got a swan, a terracotta pot, a fabulous jade tangerine tree, and we have a chippy kind of duck. Alrighty, let's get decorating. First thing I'm going to do is change out these curtains. We'll make it quick. Okay guys, hey, I think I'm going to move the mantle clock, and I need to get some of that burnt orange or peach up there. Now our wonderful giant poppy plate. Even though there's a mirror, I think we want that in the center. And a couple more in the smaller pieces. Love these. They get to come out once a year. You see how just a couple of pieces change our look to a summery, more played down a bit. And then once again, we're going to keep up with the dust, even though I mostly did this already. And I did replace the finials on these lamps, and I think they're much better. Now our beautiful tangerine jade tree in the Asian style. This is quite a substantial piece, so I thought it should go here, and I think complemented by these amazing sets of coffee and tea pots. Love these. Here's our teapot. You can see what I always talk about. Take it off its stand, okay, compared to the coffee pot, short and stout, just like the little kids' tune. Now first, I did want to get those giant poppies back in the big floor planters. I think you'll agree. These are superb for this time of year. And to go with our color scheme, where you're gonna go, guys, to beat this? Okay folks, hey, let's check out our summer living room for 2026.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Here we'll start in our Christmas corner with a delightful little terracotta pot with some yellow accents. Daisies and mums. A neutral chair and pillow. Plants in the window. More terracotta played down to pull out that peach and tangerine theme. Continued in our pillows. Peach and lemony yellow, complemented by an extra large rose bowl in the terracotta pot. Poppy plate. Little nut dish to carry that color around the room. Second sofa again. We've got gold, which goes with our lighter, creamy curtains we changed out. Another delightful arrangement to bring some color down along that floor. A swan. Let's look at that coffee table with an arrangement, all roses in a delightful Art Deco vase. Moriarty Dragon set. A wonderful porcelain server tray for those tea and cookie lovers. Over to our library table. You can see the floor vases with the giant poppies. The incredible summertime Asian teapots, tangerine tree, and coffee pot collection. Just enough color to push over our tangerine theme, peach and cream, summertime decor. Let's take a look at the top of the fireplace. Toned down for summer, some terracotta, wood duck decoy, and beautiful orange and peach poppies. Well, folks, we sure hope you enjoyed our video today. If you did, give us a like or share or comment. Send a friend over. Don't forget, check out that Etsy store if you need a gift or you're missing something in your collection right under any video. Quick link under in the description. Thanks, guys. Hey, have a wonderful summer. I hope you're enjoying it to the max. We're going to see you real soon with another over-the-top amazing decorator and collector video. Bye, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4.